You know, a lot of people always complain about this weather, but honestly, it's gonna happen. So, in my opinion, you have to embrace it and enjoy it as much as you can. It's not that bad. It's a bunch of snow. It doesn't happen that often. 25 centimeters is supposed to fall. I think that's pretty fun, actually. Some people say that it's childish to like the snow so much, but not being happy about things is supposed to be a way of showing adolescence. I don't agree with that. I think I'll always be happy about snow. I think there's many people that are always happy about snow. My brother and I are gonna go, while everyone's trying to get off the road, we're gonna get on the road and just kind of see how the roads are. That's a mountain.
Yeah. Every time I go anywhere or do anything,
There's always a guy.
there's always somebody.
Okay, that's not good. Alright, so it's been a few days now. There's about 80 centimeters of snow under me right now. If I were to dig down here, it would reach up to my waist. It is not getting really warm actually, so it's starting to melt. But the snow everywhere, a lot of it, makes you wonder, does this much fall every year? Well, the average snow for Ottawa in an entire year is about 232 centimeters. So far, although it's only mid-February, we've already surpassed that with 250 centimeters falling as of today. But that is still not a record, as the snowiest winter ever recorded in Ottawa was actually during the winter of 1970-71, when 444 centimeters fell, followed by the winter of 2007-8, when again 437 centimeters fell. That's 4 meters of snow. Despite these absurd numbers, this winter is actually set to be the third snowiest of all time. And a lot of the snow came down this week. So no records broken this week, but it was still a pretty awesome week. And maybe spring is on the way. That would be pretty awesome.